Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And with Alice here, we're going to talk about and teach you vocabulary. Let's teach you something that's very common in our everyday life.
OK.
每天一定会喝水，所以一些单字呢，我们来教就是跟水有关系，好不好？
水，
水啊，漂亮是不是？
不是啦，是水。
今天 Alice 还蛮水的，其实。水 which sounds like beautiful in Taiwanese, is actually water in Hakka. So we want to teach you terms associated with water, like boiling water, drinking water, things like that, okay? How do you say boiling water? 烧开水。
煮滚水。
很简单诶，煮滚水。这个滚水就是滚开水了这样子 ，OK？ 那滚了开水之后，它就变成是热的开水，对不对？所以呢，热开水怎么说呢 ？Hot water。
小滚水。
小滚水 ，OK， 一个是煮滚水，一个是小滚水 ，OK，that's hot water。
那小滚水的海陆腔呢？少滚水。
变少了OK，that's a different dialect for hot water， 少滚水。And finally， 要把它喝下去吗？喝水，多喝水。喝水怎么说 ？Drinking water。
食滚水。
食滚水。So as we heard， 滚水 is 开水 ，right？ 然后就是有要煮它啦，或者热的啊，或者是要喝它啦，对不对 ？OK， 我们就来造一个句子好了哈。就造一个这个，可以给我一杯热开水吗 ？Sometimes you like to ask for a cup of hot water, whether you're at the restaurant or even at home. 可以给我一杯热开水吗？怎么说？
做得本爱。
做得本爱就是可以分给我一点吗？是本爱。
一杯。
一杯吗？That means one cup.
小滚水嘛。
小滚水嘛，刚刚有教嘛，就是热开水，好像烧开水一样，它是热开水。Okay, so that means again the whole sentence. Can you give me a cup of hot water? 怎么说？
做得本爱一杯小滚水嘛。
做得本爱一杯小滚水嘛。All right, so let's review these terms associated with water. Boiling the water, 烧开水。
煮滚水。
煮滚水 and then hot water 热开水
小滚水
and then drinking the water 喝水
食滚水
真的好水 I love it 你也很水 Alright, that does for today's practical Hakka
什么太嘎
俺子 say 张来了
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.